Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's see how to install the firmware on this Flipper Zero using your phone. If you are having an iPhone, I'll show you how to install the firmware using your phone directly without connecting it to the laptop or something. So that's what we're going to see in today's video. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So this is a Flipper Zero. So let me turn this on. So you need to press this to turn it on. So as soon as you turn it on, this is the message you're going to see. Everything you'll have to do using this little joystick over here. That's the only way to play around with this without any external controller. So if you press the menu, you'll see what all you can do. So sub gigahertz, then there is RFID, then there is NFC, then there is infrared for TV. So these are the different things that you can play around with using this Flipper Zero. So this is how the setting looks like. Apart from that, so you need to install firmware so that all the restriction whatever is there based on your local laws will be installed properly. Unless you install a firmware, you'll not be able to use most of the options over here. So you need to install a firmware. For that, you need to download the app. So in the app store, you need to go and search for Flipper, and there should be an app called Flipper mobile app. You need to install that and then open this. So once you open this, you need to connect your Flipper Zero. For that, you need to turn on Bluetooth in this. To do that, just press this one, the center button, and go to settings and Bluetooth. It will be off. Just turn it on. Once you turn it on, so I had previously connected. Let me disconnect and click on connect. Click on connect. It will search for Flipper Zero. So I've turned the Flipper Zero on as well. So we need to wait for some time, and you'll see this Romain 31. That's the name given to this. So click on connect, and you'll see this pairing code. Just enter this. And click on pair. So I guess I entered the wrong pairing code. Let me enter it again. 297597 297597. So it's connected, and as soon as it gets connected, you'll see this option to update the firmware. So just click on update. So it will update the latest firmware. If there is no firmware, then it will install a new firmware. So just click on update and click on update again, and it should download the firmware to your Flipper Zero and then install it as well. So you need to wait for some time. So let's wait for some time and come back. So it has downloaded and pushed the data to the Flipper Zero. Now it's started installing or updating the firmware. So extracting resources, it says. So it has finally completed, so you can see success message over here. So click on OK, and a lot of animations. So we get this options. So yeah, you can play around with this. So you can read different radio frequencies and save it, and whenever required you can emulate it as well. So yeah, in the coming videos I will explore more on each of this, radio frequencies, sub-gigahertz, RFID, then NFC, infrared, high button, bad USB. We'll explore all these things in the coming videos. So in today's video I just wanted to tell you all about how to install the firmware or update the firmware using your iPhone without connecting it to your laptop. So yeah, that's a quick video channel. Hope you liked it. If you like the video, please do hit the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. That will help me a lot. That will help me grow in YouTube, guys. So please do subscribe. And if there are any queries, please post in the comment section. So that's all in this video. Let's catch you next video. Until then, see you. Bye.